We have another hidden gem, Star Trio, A, B, and C. They're 200-gram cakes, each with 25 shots. Each design is a different effect. The packing is 48:1. Okay, let's take a look, see what we have here. We have 48 of the Star Trio, but the first one, I see they're all in this pattern. Okay, do we have another one that's different? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so this is different. Okay. I see, so let's test my math here. So 48 of them, 3 different effects. I believe there's 16 each, so 16 of these, 16 of these, and I believe there's a different one, a third one down there. So let's see. I feel like I need to dig down. Okay, well, let me make myself some room here. Oh, yep, this one. Is this a different one? Yeah, I think so. So we have 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Yeah, we found all 3 of them. Is it really 16 each? Well, being me, I have to check. $16 each, 48 total, bingo. We took new videos with a cell phone and it's a little closer up. You can see a little clearer. This one is A. This one is effect B. While you're watching, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Please do visit our website, www.twinfireworks.com. If you are a dealer, please go to our dealer portal. Next, coming up is Effect C. This one has white glitters and crackles. This one looks a little longer, but in fact, all 3 cakes are very similar in length. Please like, share, and subscribe. This will help us reach more pyro lovers like you.